it's Walter Burns from Keller Williams City Life Realty and livingonthehudson.com. Continuing our tour of the sections in downtown Jersey City, today we're going to discuss the Hamilton Park section of downtown Jersey City, which is located on the north side of downtown Jersey City. Just to quickly recap, downtown Jersey City lies along the Hudson River waterfront. It goes south to the Liberty State Park Marina, west to the Route 78 overpass, and north to Route 139 and the Holland Tunnel. The Hamilton Park section is on the north side, and Hamilton Park basically runs between 8th and 9th Street and West Hamilton Place and Erie Street. There are several large-scale condominium buildings in this area. There are three major ones. The first one is the Wells Fargo building located at 299 Pavonia Avenue, and this is an old historic structure that Wells Fargo Bank owned, and this was their horse stables for their bank carriages back in the day. They are lofts. There's about 40 units or so in the building, and they are large. If you like a traditional loft, large open space, high ceilings, this is the building for you. The units are like 1,500 to 3,000 square feet. Some of them are over 4,000 square feet. It's a virtual doorman building, elevator building, and the units have high ceilings. There's some units in the building that have like 30-foot ceilings. So it's definitely a very cool space, very different from most of the other buildings in the area. Residents in this building also have a parking option over here. There's a lot that the building owns where you could park, and it's only a block or so west of Hamilton Park. So you get to enjoy all of Hamilton Park's features, if you have children, the playground area, tennis, basketball. There's a farmer's market here, and a lot of restaurants that are around the park and in the blocks surrounding the park. So it's definitely a very nice place to live. So the Wells Fargo building is the first option at 299 Pavonia Avenue. The second option is Hamilton Square. Hamilton Square is three condo buildings located at 232 Pavonia Avenue. It's this building, and this one. Full service building, concierge, doorman, elevator. There is a common roof deck on the top, as well as a fitness center and residence lounge. This was built around 2005. It is on the site of a former hospital. So part of the building was a hospital, and then they built additional sections onto it. And there is some parking garage options in the area nearby if you have a car. They have since built other sections that are not the condominium. These are exclusive rental buildings in the area that the same developer built, but the condominium portion is right here overlooking Hamilton Park, and that's Hamilton Square. Just east of Hamilton Square is one of the first condominium buildings in this area, which is the Park Hamilton, located at 205 10th Street. And the Park Hamilton is a former factory that was converted to condominiums. They added an upper section on it, and this was done in the late 80s. 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and I believe there are some 3 bedroom options there. It's a full service building. There's a concierge, elevator building. There's a fitness center. The building also has a parking lot, which some residents can park in. There are more units than there are available spaces. So some residents, if they have parking, will have to park outside the building. All of these buildings are not far from the Hamilton Park, as well as the Newport Path Station. The Newport Path Station is located on the other side of the mall. So to get to Newport Path, which is over here, you would have to go around the mall or through the mall. There's also a bus shuttle that could take people to the mall, to the Path Station for a small fee. So that's Hamilton Park options. There are 3 of them. There are also smaller scattered throughout, like 2 to 4 to 6 unit condo buildings in this area. So if you like the neighborhood but don't want to live in one of these buildings, there are other options. But today I just reviewed the large scale options for you. I will link down below links to my website, livingonthehudson.com, where you can see the various condo building pages set up for these to see what's available, if for rent or for sale. If you're an owner in one of these buildings, I'll be happy to provide you with a valuation report. I can be reached anytime at 347-448-3766 or Walter at livingonthehudson.com. Have a great day.